everyone, I'm Holly from Hand Printed. Last week I showed you how to make this screen using Speedball drawing fluid and filler, and now I'm going to show you how to clean it so you can use the screen for other designs. So this is my screen filler that's still blocking the mesh. Removing it can be a little bit stubborn, but what we like to use is Speedball Speed Clean to remove it. We're going to use a nylon plastic brush to scrub it and hot water. Now I boiled this kettle 5 or so minutes ago, so it's just off the boil. I'm going to decant a little bit of the Speed Clean into a separate container and then use my plastic brush to scrub all over both sides of the screen filler. Now I'm going to leave this for about 5 minutes. Keep working the brush into the Speed Clean and screen filler on the screen. It should foam up and turn pink like this. Try and wash your screen as soon as you can after you finish with your screen filler, because the longer the screen filler is on the screen, the harder it's going to be to wash out. This one's been here for about a week since I did the last video, so it's taking a few goes to get it off. You can see that it's coming off, so I'm going to go in with a little bit more hot water. That last kettle of water's got all the rest of the screen filler out of the screen, so now it's ready to use again. You can find the screen filler, the drawing fluid, as well as the Speed Clean on our website, handprinted.co.uk, and if you haven't seen the video about using the drawing fluid and filler, go back and take a watch. Happy printing!